How to use scene edit detection. It's mean Adobe Premiere Pro will scan your video and convert your multi-clip video in cuts automatically. Sometimes when we edit a video, we deal with multi-clips video, like this video. Like this video. Now if we want to separate this pink colored chair from the rest of the video, we will use the razor tool. But cutting it out of the video and cutting it from the right place is not only difficult, but also time consuming. Firstly, we cut the clip with the razor tool and then correct this clip with the trim tool later. This is not the right way. Here the question arises that how do we get out of this difficulty and how to save our time? So the answer to this question is that we will use Scene Edit Detective. With its help, our video will be automatically cut at every cut, be it an edit cut or a camera cut. For this, we will select our video and press right button of our mouse. Now if we see under the speed and duration, here is Scene Edit Detective option. We will click on this, one window will be open, we will select first option, apply a cut at each detected cut point. Its mean software will scan of every cut of camera or edited video. If we will press on Analyze, process will start. It takes some time. After completing, your will video will divide it into parts. Now you can pick every required clip and can use in your project. I hope you will like this video and it will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.
Dr. Rabbit on YouTube, you'll see creative lessons for you and me.